shell breaking space down, look like baby food. I'm stepping 40 times in the 82. Cuz took a automatic chop from a Jamaican dude.
You're so dumb.
I'm the top shotter.
So
I probably shouldn't be screaming that in a white neighborhood.
definitely not. So step one, pump up all the tires. This thing's pretty sweet though.
Bro, like putting it low.
Yeah. Just trying to control it. Those ramps are so nice.
It worked.
That could have been bad.
It worked though.
Imagine that just dropped.
Yo, that was almost bad, bro.
That was almost really
That was
bad.
almost really bad. But we got it now.
All right.
Here, put the key in.
Got the new battery in. See if it cranks.
Go ahead. Turn it. Nothing.
No, Craig.
See if you push it in.
I'm pushing.
No crank.
Nothing. Might be electrical.
I don't hear anything though.
Attempt to change a few things. I'm not sure what he was doing. Not even a click.
I'm gonna plug everything in all the way.
All right. Went ahead and took the fuel line off. Gonna clean this thing out because yeah, you can't really see in there, but it is just like sludge. It's gross in there.
The next day.
Alright, so here's what we did. Zoom in right here. We got the battery right here. I got the battery grounded to the block of the engine or the back transmission, whatever we want to call it. I got the starter right there. I'm gonna plug the positive to the battery and then
Oh, it's fine.
and then this is what happens. It's getting hot, but it works.
What do you have to say?
I'm a genius.
genius.
I just know how to work electrical things, you feel me? Like, how do you
have to
feel,
say?
Chris?
Yeah, how do you feel?
This guy's autistic.
Left AirPod in. I'm a real YN.
Alright.
I don't see any gas getting injected.
Nothing.
Nothing. What is
It's burning.
Oh,
Bro, this thing got melted on there already. No gas went in at all.
I don't see anything different. Maybe it's the wrong plug.
Maybe it might. I'm trying to look at the video I took.
That's gas that's dripping.
Fire.
Is it?
We got a gas leak in this.
Okay, that's not that bad.
The engine just blew up.
Switch these two lines right here. Pull it, just pull it. Smells like straight plastic, bro. It's on?
This thing isn't on very well. I don't see it. Nothing. Oh.
So we're not getting
Direct
gas.
inject. Direct inject.
Direct inject. Take the bottom off of the fuel filter. Is that line long enough?
It's gonna be close. No.
No.
Yo.
What?
Very temporary, but see what I'm thinking? Just move the gas tank for now.
Do it.
Alright, it's on. This is sketchy. Hopefully we don't kill the engine.
We need better wires.
What if we primed it by personally putting like fuel in?
So what's wrong?
But that's sketchy.
The engine isn't getting any fuel. So what if we primed it ourselves by just pouring fuel directly in, like a little bit, just to get enough?
We're definitely starting it now. Like right now. Go.
Alright. Do we have any brake fluid?
Brake fluid.
Haven't you seen those videos where they like spray whatever that flammable stuff is on here, on the carburetor?
Oh, but that would be for the. Oh yeah, brake cleaner. All right,
What's that?
start. Wait. Okay. Oh, that's a horrible smell.
Is that
Ooh,
powerful?
yeah. Oh,
Oh crap.
fire. Fire extinguisher right there, Chris.
It's burning.
Quick.
How do I do this thing?
Take the pin out. Why is it on there? Look at that. Bro, oh my goodness.
The engine just blew up. Oh, the engine's on fire.
Go. Nice. More.
Oh.
Yo.
Oh man, it's all foggy now.
Unreal. Oh my goodness.
What happened?
It caught the starter fluid. That's what started burning the starter fluid because of the spark from the battery that was there. Oh, don't breathe that in. Unreal. That was crazy. Let's check out the jam. All right.
Is the wires burned?
What burned, bro? It doesn't look like nothing was too crazily damaged, which is good. Oh yeah, there's a couple wires that are melted. Oh yeah, all the fuel line wires are melted. Other than that, there's a lot of wires that are intact, so that's fine. Oh, it's horrible.
That's an interesting.
That was an interesting.
That's fun.
Oh my goodness! I'm gonna try and shine it on your face, but not too much. What are you thinking?
That'll be good views, I hope.
I got sprayed with a fire extinguisher.
Look at this! Look how dusty it is.
My fault, gang. Well,
that is crazy.
That didn't work.
All right, what are we thinking?
Well, we're about to have to sink in a lot more time than we did beforehand. A bit more money. Not much of a budget build anymore.
Caden just texts go-kart working. I'm gonna say it caught on fire.
The next day.
Yeah, it's going up.
Oh, fire extinguisher again.
Quicker. You don't have to pull the pin anymore. Squeeze.
I
Squeeze
can't
like a man.
squeeze it.
Let me see.
Oh my goodness! Pull the pin! Pull the pin! Pull the pin! That's why.
Here, hold.
Go, go, go!
Aim,
pull,
aim.
pull!
Aim, aim.
Go!
Get the hose. It's not going.
The gas tank! Quick, quick!
Turn on, turn on, turn on, turn on.
Gas tank's on fire! Gas tank! No, bruh! Is it still?
I don't think so. Alright. Why did it set on fire? The tank leaks.
Later that same evening.
Yeah, it's definitely the other one. Now it's not even doing it. I said direct injection. Fucking.
I understand it. I understand it now. I'm on the truth to see if I get launched.
It ran for a second. I took it off. It ran for a second.
It's like a cold start almost.
It's on! It's on! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Spark plug. Is it moving?
Bro!
The brakes don't work.
Bro, the lights are working.
I'm on the brake right now. Bro, I gotta start going, dude. Oh my goodness.
Yo! Let's go!
The next day.
Out with the old and in with the new.
Yeah, so we got all the new carburetor stuff in today. Here's the nice new air filter looking all pretty. Here's the carburetor itself. Yeah, nice new carburetor, looking all nice. Everything's just so shiny on it. And these black hoses are the ones that were originally on the engine, but then it caught on fire, and so we didn't have these black hoses anymore. We forgot to record. We just started it with a new carb.
Yes!
Let's go.
Where's the key at?
It should be in there actually.
Ham! Sorry. Alcohol.
Walk.
Oh look!
Wait, I'm. Gas it.
Yo! I can't stop!
Yeah, we get you cut like some coke. Yeah, all white, then a party pole. Off-white lamb on the pole. Yeah, different color diamonds, different color.
25? No way, I could tell that was moving fast.
Guillotine,